You need to say you're from Dominica. I'm Dominican is reserved for the Dominican Republic. According to who? This was in response to this person doing that holy airball trend, where she would always have people say, I've never been to Dominican Republic, but that's not the country she's talking about. And last I checked, there is no international law that says Dominican is reserved only for people from the Dominican Republic. In fact, according to Dominican government, that is what they call themselves, Dominican. People from Dominican Republic would probably call themselves Dominicanos, or in English, just Dominican. Now, there's nothing wrong with being confused by reading it only, because obviously they're spelled the same, but they are not spoken the same, and you certainly do not have any authority to tell people in another country what they are or are not allowed to call themselves. If Dominicans want to call themselves Dominicans, they can do that. If they want to call themselves Martians, they could do that. You don't get to dictate how other people speak. And it's not the only country that shares a spoken or written demonym with another country. For example, people from both of these countries are called Congolese. People from both of these countries are called Korean. And again, these two countries actually have different pronunciations. The spoken word is different. They just happen to be spelled the same. It's not other people's responsibility to speak the way you want them to. If you want to understand, it's your responsibility to learn how they speak. And people from Dominica call themselves Dominicans. So that's what they're called.